So today we're starting a series of stitches from the beginner stitches to a little more advanced one, and we're starting today with a single crochet. For that I'm using medium worsted yarn with 5.5mm hook, and we'll get started. We'll start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna pull through. So I'll chain a random number here, but depending on your project, you'll chain the number required. So I have chained 10. Now, in the single crochet, what we usually do, you skip this chain and you make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So you insert the hook into the loop, you pull through. You do the same into the next one. This is building the first row. So you continue the same till the last chain. So whenever we have a number of chain and we make single crochet, we call it a chain. From the next row, it will be a stitch. So we'll be working on the stitch next. Okay, 2 more chains. And that's it. This is the first row completed. Now, from this next row till the end of whichever project you're doing, I'm gonna chain 1 and turn the work. So I'm gonna make a single crochet in the very first stitch on top of the chain 1. So the stitch, or the hole you can call it, it's gonna be the first one on top of the chain 1. So I'll insert my hook and then single crochet. When you turn the chain, you will find that you have the V here, which is the 2 loops. So usually insert your hook into the 2 loops and you continue the same. So single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. This is how you get the straight side of the piece when you work the single crochet into the first stitch. This was confusing for me when I was a beginner, and I know it's confusing for a lot of people. So I'm finishing the row here. I've got a stitch here. And this is the last stitch. Again, I'll chain 1 as we said, and it's gonna be the same throughout. So again, this is my first stitch for the next row. Single crochet and single crochet in every stitch. And you continue the same. It's just a repetitive row of single crochet. The only thing you need to memorize to keep the line straight is single crochet in the first stitch, which is in the same stitch as chain 1. And also make sure you make a single crochet in the very last stitch. So best to count your stitches always. So one more thing, let's assume you're making 10 chains in the beginning. You will end up with 9 stitches, because when you make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, you're eating 1 chain. So it becomes 9 chains. It becomes 1 less always. So this is how to make single crochet rows. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.